Now let us see example 3.6. Now see the question. Solve 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 1, minus 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, minus x minus y plus z is equal to 2. So here also three equations they have given. So you know that how to solve these three equations. Now we can see the solution. So the first equation you can consider as equation number 1. The second equation you can consider as equation number 2, and the third equation you can consider as equation number 3. So you know that how to solve the linear equations in three variables. So first you can choose any two equations. Okay, so first and second equation you can choose, because the y variable easily you can eliminate, because here itself, the question itself, you have the y variable, the numerical coefficient is same only. So easily you can eliminate this y variable. So you can choose first and second equation. So now the first equation implies 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 1. And the second equation also same thing you have to write. Minus 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1. So here we are going to eliminate easily we can eliminate the y variable while we are adding this two equations. Okay, because the different sign only you have, easily you can eliminate while you are adding these two equations. So now see 3x plus 3x minus 2x means, so you can see the numerical coefficient. So now plus 3 and minus 2, that is 1 only. Okay, so 1x, here plus y and the minus y you can eliminate. So here the different sign, minus 3 and plus 2. Subtract and the biggest number symbol, so that is biggest number symbol is minus. Okay, so 3 and 2 if you subtract mean 1 is that only, that you can write as a z. So x minus z is equal to 1 plus 1, so you know that is 2. So that is the new equation that you can consider as equation number 4. Next you can choose another two equations you can choose. So which is easy to choose? So this and this you can choose it, otherwise this and this, first and third, or the second and third. Okay, so here we have taken the first and third, any two equations you can choose. So now the first equation, that is here also the first, when you choose the first two equations, so there we have eliminated the y variable. So here also which two equations we are choosing, that equations also we have to eliminate the same variable only. Here y variable we have eliminated, so there also we should eliminate the y variable only. So now we can choose the first and third equations. So the first equation, there is no change, you have to take 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 1, and the third equation minus 6 minus y plus z is equal to 2. So here y variable we eliminated, so here also we should eliminate the y variable. So you can see here also the same numerical coefficient of only, plus 1 and the minus 1. So while you are adding these two equations, easily you can eliminate this y variable. Okay, so you can add it, plus 3 and minus 1. So the coefficient is 1. Okay, so plus 3 and minus 1, that is 2 only, so 2x. So this and this, it will be cancelled. So the next one, here minus 3 plus 1. So subtract and the biggest number symbol, so that is minus 2z is equal to 3. So now we have got it another one, new equations. So that equation you can consider as a equation number 5. Now you can consider these two equations. Okay, so now these two equations, now see which variable you can eliminate. So here both one is any variable. So here see x variable we should, if you are going to eliminate the x variable means, here 2x you have, here also 2 we needed. So all the this full equation we need to multiply with the 2. So here the z variable, if you consider z variable, if you are going to eliminate also, here 2 you have, here also 2 only. So this full equation we need to multiply with the 2. So now see this first this equation, fourth equation, we are going to multiply with the 2. So equation 4. Okay, so equation 4 multiply with the 2. So equation 4 multiply with the 2. So equation 4, that is multiply with the 2 means 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into z, that is 2a minus 2z is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. So this equation already that coefficient is 2 only you have, so that same thing you have to write. Okay, so now any one variable only we need to eliminate, but here if you are multiplying means both variables it is eliminated. Okay, so now see here we need to add it or subtract. So if you add it means it will not be eliminated. Okay, so you have to subtract means you need to change the symbol, plus means in minus, minus means plus symbol, here plus you have minus. Now see this and this, it will be eliminated. Here also this and this 0 only. Okay, so 0 you have to write, equal to, now 4 and minus 3. So 4 and minus 3, you know the 4 and minus 3, that is plus 1. Okay, so 0 is equal to 1 we have got it, but we know that 0 is equal to plus 1, we have got it, but we know that 0 is equal to 1, it is correct or not, so that's false equation only. 0 is equal to 1, it is not possible. So you can write as here 0 not equal to 1, which is a contradiction, so that is a wrong equation only, we cannot consider this like, okay. So 0 is equal to 1, it is not possible, so which is a contradiction, so you have to write there is no solution, we cannot find out, so the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay, so there is no solution in this equations, so that is the answer. Thank you.